Have you discussed this during your synchronous? No.
Yes.
You have. Okay, so maybe we can just answer activity 2, and then afterwards, while answering, if you have some questions or something that is not clear, teacher can just discuss it with you. Will that be okay?
Yes.
All right. So would you know, and would you be able to share your screen, or so that you can answer from your file, or I'd rather do it?
You rather do it?
Oh, I can just do it. Okay, no problem. Is it sharing now?
Yes.
All right. So identifying subject pronouns. Let's review your subject pronouns. So you write the answer on my screen using yours. I gave you permission to annotate. Let's try number 1. What is the instruction?
Encircle the subject pronoun in each word sentence.
Good. Okay. All right. Let's do number 1. Let's
You,
check. All right. Very good. You is the subject pronoun. Very good. Moving on. Number 2.
my,
Mm, no, it's not the
ah,
subject pronoun.
it,
It, correct. It. Just it, no is. Okay, yes, correct. So here, um, here, my is not a subject pronoun. It's not a subject pronoun.
object,
No, it is a possessive adjective. It is a pronoun that is used as a possessive adjective. Okay?
okay.
Okay, moving on. Come on. Then,
I,
I. Okay, all right. Okay, so remember, Migs, my is not a subject pronoun, okay? So you can, the equivalent of this is mine, but it's not a subject, neither is it an object pronoun, it is a possessive pronoun. Okay, so when you do this in class, you remember that my is not supposed to be a pronoun, okay?
okay.
Okay, let's practice. Can you do that?
You,
Yes, okay. Subject pronoun, huh?
he,
He, all right. And then
it,
it, it. Okay.
yes.
Letter I. Okay. Mix, can you draw an arrow from the pronoun to the antecedent?
Hmm?
Can you please draw an arrow to the pronoun to the antecedent? What is you referring to in the sentence? What is you substituting for in the sentence?
Jerome,
Correct. Okay, Jerome, that's correct. Okay, next, number 2. What is he referring to in the sentence?
brother,
Brother. Okay, brother. Correct. Next.
piano,
Piano. Okay, let's move on to number 5. You understand?
yes.
You notice that all subject pronouns are found before the or in which part of the sentence? Okay. So let me find my mouse because it keeps on jumping from one place to another. So when you say subject pronouns, mix. So subject pronouns, just like your subject as nouns, okay? That's why they are called subject pronouns, because they are found in the subject part of the sentence. Do you know the basic parts of the sentence, right?
Yes.
Okay. So they are called subject pronouns or nominative pronouns because they are found in the subject part of the sentence, okay, before the verb. All right. So subject pronouns are found before the verb. That's why they are called subject, because they are always found in the subject part before the verb. You understand?
Yes.
Okay, one exception though. One exception is the linking verb followed by a subject pronoun. Okay. My brother is he. Okay, why is this different? It's because um, it's all. Why is it called a subject pronoun, even if it is found in the subject part, in the predicate part? Okay, because this one, he, means the same as the subject. So if you if you reverse the sentence, if you invert it, then it becomes, can you invert it for me? Can you reverse the sentence? So this becomes subject.
Mm, yes.
He. So you put he first and then is my brother.
Brother.
You see? So he refers to brother. But this time this is subject. Subject. But in this case, this is the subject. And the subject is also he. So he, subject pronoun, is placed after. So it's very important, Mix. You remember my question and the way you answered here, to which the pronoun is referring. Because that way, if the pronoun is referring to the subject, even if it's in the predicate, it's not in the subject part, it will still, you will still need to use a subject pronoun. Yes, are we clear with this one?
Yes.
Okay, then